Krishna. Hello children. I once again welcome you all to the drawing section. I know that you all love to do painting. So today I will teach you how to do painting, how to use different colors, how to do shading, and what are the different types of colors. So first we will know what is drawing. Drawing refers to producing a picture by making lines or shades on a paper by use of pencil, pen, etc. And what is painting? Painting refers to applying a liquid to a surface with a brush by use of different colors. What are the benefits of coloring? It reduces stress and anxiety. It improves sleep. It improves focus and concentration too. Now I will tell you what are the different types of colors. Generally, there are three types of colors. Primary colors, which is called as original colors. They are red, blue and yellow. Then there is secondary colors, which we get by mixing two primary colors. Then there are tertiary colors, which we get by mixing one primary color and another secondary color. Black and white are not called colors. They are called shades. And there are millions of colors, variety of colors, which you can get by mixing colors. So now I will show how to mix colors to get different colors. First, I will take red color, which is a primary color. Then I will mix blue color, which is also a primary color. And then we get violet color, which is a secondary color. Now I will again take red color, which is a primary color, and I will mix it with yellow color, which is also a primary color. And see, we get orange color, which is a secondary color. Now I will take yellow color, which is a primary color, and then I will mix it with green, which is a secondary color. And see, we get lemon color, that is lime color, which is a tertiary color. So in this way we will get variety of colors by mixing different colors. So children, now I will teach you how to do shading. Shading is a technique that allows to show the depth of a character within the drawing, and it also enhances the drawing. To show shadows, we do darker shades, and to show lighter areas, we do lighter shades. In short, whenever sunlight or any light falls in an object, it will have lighter shades, and wherever there is no light, then it will have darker shades. So come children, I will teach you how to do shading. I have drawn a leaf. Now I will color the leaf with a light green base color. Children, remember, whenever you are coloring any object, move your brush in only one direction. That is, from right to left or left to right, from top to bottom or bottom to top. Never move your brush like this. It will spoil your coloring. Now I will apply the light green base color very smoothly in one direction, like this. You can see that the basic coloring of the leaf is complete. Now I will take the dark green color to highlight the midrib of the leaf. Then I will highlight the outer portion, which is called the blade. Then I will highlight the veins. I will thicken the midrib. Then I will highlight the small netted veins. Now I will do the shading. with dark green color in parts, just to show that sunlight don't fall in this area. We will darken it like this. This completes the shading of the leaf. Now I will take one drawing and show you how to color it. You can take any drawing. This drawing is having Gopal Krishna playing flute, a cow and a parrot. You can add many things like lawn, tree, clouds, sun, birds flying and so on. This drawing is having 3 parts: Gopal Krishna, cow and a parrot. First I will put base color, that is light blue color on Krishna's body. Dhoti light yellow, Uttaraya violet, hairs black, cow light brown and parrot light green. Now I will start filling the base color with light blue color like this. And this way I will fill all the portion with base color. This way I have completed filling of all the base colors. Now I will highlight all the outlines with dark color respectively. For example, wherever there is light blue color, I will highlight it with dark blue color, and wherever there is light brown color, I will highlight it with dark brown color. Now I will show you how to do it. I have taken dark blue color and will start doing the highlighting like this. This way I will complete highlighting all the outlines, borders, etc. See, after coloring all the borders and outline, the painting has become more prominent. Now I will color all the ornaments, garlands and more punk. This way, after completing the coloring of all the ornaments, garlands and more punk, I will now do the shading of cow and parrot. Shading is a very important art of drawing, so do it as per your imagination. Shading of cow and parrot is almost done. Now I will do the shading of Lord Krishna. I will take dark yellow color and golden color for shading of dhoti. Then I will do the uttariya, then the hands and the body, and lastly I will do the shading of the face, eyes, nose and lips, etc. See children, almost the painting is now complete. I have added a lawn, as I have said before, just to enhance the painting. Thank you for being with me throughout the painting. Hope you all have learnt many things about painting. Hare Krishna.